Hey everyone, first of all we want to thank you for inviting us into your homes. We know it's kind of been rough the past couple of days and it might be for the past next couple of weeks. So we want to bring some smiles to your faces. It's hard on us not seeing you here at the bar with us. So here we are to show you a few cocktails that you can make at home.
Right, I know usually we meet you guys here, but now it's going to be a different spin. We're going to meet you guys in your living room, so we're going to bring these cocktails to you. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's tuned in. I don't know how you found us, whether you're scrolling through, you're my friend, her friend, a friend of the last hotel, but we're all friends and we're very happy that we're able to reach out to you guys here. One of the most important things and special things about our industry is our ability to vibe with one another, reach out to one another, and spread positivity. And I think this is a great opportunity for us to do so. So tune in, grab these few ingredients that we're going to need for these cocktails, and let's go.
All right, so the first ingredient you're going to need is probably the most important part. It's your whiskey. We're using our Still 630's Last Rye whiskey. It's house made for us by the distillery that's up the street. You're also going to need a lemon and sugar and water and ice too.
Oh yeah,
if you want your sour on ice. So first things first, we need to go over how to make simple syrup. Simple syrup for us is just sugar water. So all you need are equal parts of sugar and water. You bring the water to a boil, throw the sugar in, let it boil, stir it up until it dissolves, and call it a day. The second ingredient you will need is lemon juice. For us, if you're just making one at home, you can just simply squeeze your lemon into your drink. It's not that serious as to getting a whole juicer and doing as much as we do here.
I mean, if you want to do it, work hard too.
Yeah, go ahead. But being at home in my pajamas is probably the last thing that I'm going to do.
All right, let's get right to the drink. Let's get right to it.
To the important parts. So we're going to start with our whiskey. We're going to do 2 ounces of whiskey. Then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. We've already got it prepped right here in our bottle. Those of you at home, you can do about a half a lemon, maybe 1/4 of a lemon squirt into your drink. We've also already mixed together our sugar water. We use a Demerara sugar here, so this is going to be darker, but you can use white sugar at home. Simple things that you have in your house.
They're available over the counter too. You can buy simple syrup from, Schnucks, Beerbirds, anywhere.
You can buy them already made.
You can just boil some water and add some sugar to it.
I know you guys got some sugar at home.
I hope you got some water.
Yeah, you know they got water. You know they're not cutting up the water right now.
Oh yeah. We good for that.
You guys got water. You guys got this. You can make it. Then you want to fill up your shaker with ice. Those of you I know that probably don't have shakers at home, you can use a couple of cups. Just make sure that they firmly fit inside one another. And then you're just going to shake. And pour. And then you want your garnish. If you're feeling a little fancy, you can throw a cherry on there. Acts like you're here with us.
You already know.
And that is a whiskey sour.
Voila.